Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from AirTM to Binance. Want to move your money from AirTM to Binance using your phone? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, unlock your iPhone and open the ATM app and make sure you are logged in to your account and check your available balance. After that, when you are on the home screen, tap withdraw or send. This lets you move money from ATM to another platform. After that, now choose the crypto or P2P transfer option. Most users send money as USDT since Binance supports this easily. After that, open the Binance app on your phone. Once you're at the home screen, tap on the wallet, then deposit, choose USDT and copy your deposit address. Now go back to the ATM, paste the Binance deposit address into the wallet address field, enter the amount and confirm the transfer. Wait a few minutes for the transaction to complete. Once confirmed, the fund will appear in Binance wallet. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.